What's the meaning of Alsatian? Alsatian. 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 Alsatian.
Alsatian is a term that can refer to several different things. It can describe a breed of large dog that originated in the Alsace region of France, known for its loyalty and protective instincts. Alternatively, Alsatian can also refer to a person from Alsace, or to something related to the region itself, such as its cuisine or culture. In general, the term is most often used to describe the breed of dog, which is sometimes also called a German Shepherd in other parts of the world.